today. Can't leave a dream, I gotta find a way. Hey, I'm on my knees praying he got the way. My faith too deep, I know they gon' ride the wave. Hey, what would you leave if you die today? Can't leave a
What
happening, you guys?
We're back with another video and another.
Guys, now Tiny's about to open up some. What? You about to open up what? Hold up, what do you open up? Let's show which LOL dolls it is. Come on.
Let me open this one.
Let's show them which one. Show them what they are.
This one is the girl. This one is a girl. They have
LOL hair goes.
Yeah.
And then this is LOL
rock.
glitter. Okay. So let's open them. So you can open. You say you want to open this one first?
Yeah. Open it up. Hey, Dad.
Y'all can talk.
What's up, guys?
No, come this way. Don't do that. If you got spit in your mouth?
No.
What's up, you guys? Look who came in the building.
More. How did you see y'all?
Let me go get Marvel. Sit down.
Where Marvel? Is he asleep? Oh. He is full glad Marvel eating food.
No.
Okay. Let me get my message up. Hair sign. Evil hair
There
sign.
we go.
Okay, just come.
Hold up. Why is it like... Okay, there we go.
We're just ready.
She's open. Okay, you didn't even get to see that she's opening her gift. Marvel's this drinking bottle.
Oh, can I open this one?
No.
Blade?
You need help?
Yeah.
You got it? Try it. No, look.
Okay.
Ricky did it.
Then you need like. It's not your LL dog.
Marvel. Hold up. Say hi, Marvel.
I just seen a character.
Say hi. Say hi.
Can you open it, guys?
She's getting it. She got it. Oh, let her get it. Let her do it.
Can we open it?
No.
No.
You messing up the video.
Look what I got. A chain.
Oh, it's not the word.
Thing.
So when she open it.
Doing this. I'm gonna open
No.
this. Oh,
She got a hat.
a hat.
You got a
Wait,
hat?
you got some. I want to see the.
She got a hat, you guys. Look at that. Cool, nice little
I
stylish
got
hat.
a hat. I got this.
What's this? Oh, this is the outfit. She got a little outfit, you guys. Little outfit.
shoes.
Shoes, let me see.
These shoes.
She got Vans.
She got some Vans.
Yeah.
They got some little tiny little Vans. We gotta make sure Marvel do not get near this. Some Vans. You see
Open
that?
it.
You got. Oh,
Yeah.
hold on. You gotta open it. You gotta open the thing.
Yeah, like open that.
Yeah, like how do you open? Right here. You open it like this. Like push it.
Oh.
Like
That's
that.
cool.
That's so cool. Oh my god.
Ooh. This is your LOL surprise doll right here. It looks like.
Nothing in here.
Wait, let me see.
Her.
Okay, this is your LOL surprise doll.
Okay, you want to open it? Yeah.
No one's opened it last.
Yeah.
Because
We got LL.
like this.
Get out of the camera.
He's like, it's just,
Here. You so spoiled.
I got it.
oh, a bow.
A bow? Hold on, let's see. Look. Oh, is this a bow?
No, this one.
Oh, that's
Oh,
a cone.
that's a cone.
This is a cone. What is
I
this?
A
got a bow.
bow.
What is this? What is this?
A bow, I think. I
I
don't
don't
know.
know what this is. I don't know what this is.
Comic teller. Oh, look, her bottle.
Bottle.
Oh,
You got a bottle.
Her
Let me see. We revealed the LOL doll, you guys, and this is the one she got.
Yeah.
here, put the clothes on it. Put the clothes on it.
Yep.
The shoes.
You'd be able to put clothes and shoes on it.
Let her do it. Let her do
Hold
it.
on,
I'm
let me
trying
see
to take
all
the
of it.
plastic.
What's this? I think this also comes with your LOL doll or something.
Guys, I'm opening this one. Up.
The people who made it. Trey, open the second
Trey
one.
happy.
Let me grab something just to hold this a little bit better. There we go. So you can be able to see Tiny, Leonardo. Gotta get these away from him. This is too small. And these clothes are too tiny.
Bag.
Oh yeah,
Bag.
Let me see.
Credit bag.
Let me see.
Credit bag.
You ripped it?
Credit bag.
Okay. Here, you need help?
I got
Bless
it.
you. Bless you.
I want to help Trey too.
Bless you. You can help her with cleaning up the mess.
Okay.
You can get the rest of this and her stuff inside her
Open up.
things.
Open up.
Make sure you're not throwing away nothing that's
Put in the towel.
here. Let's get the trash.
Don't throw away like these. Don't throw away those.
Is this supposed to be thrown away, you guys? Let me know.
No.
Yeah,
Don't throw that away. No, don't throw away. Well, you can if you want to.
I think it collects all the dolls. So it tells you what doll you got.
No, it tells you. Yeah, it tells you the name.
So you got her.
Yeah, she got the
Skater girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got Skater girl.
I think the next one will be her.
Hold on, let's look.
Wait, yeah, maybe.
She got another one.
You got another one
Hold on,
open.
this comes with it. She just ripped everything apart. She just went crazy.
Crazy. I want to put
I think this is what you're supposed to keep your. I don't know if I'm doing this.
kitty.
Watch out! Watch out! Okay,
Oh,
see.
it got glitter in it.
It got glitter.
Oh
Oh, look! It got glitter.
Glitter girl.
Let's see the next doll she finna get. Get this paper ready.
Let's make sure we're not getting in.
Oh, I got glitter girl.
Oh look! Show the people.
Who you got?
Wait! I think
So
this is
she got. So who do we?
I think this
who
is
does
like
she
a
get?
word.
Her
Her Majesty.
Her
She got Her
Majesty?
Majesty.
I got her outfit.
Hold up. Did she get Her Majesty?
I believe so.
Oh, I got shoes. Go glitter shoes.
Oh no way! Her Majesty.
See. Okay, so
Wait,
I
her
am working
last
on
bag,
one.
Mom.
So
What's this?
This is for her legs.
these are her.
Oh, I think this is to hold her shoes in.
Put
Yes.
her shoes in. Oh yeah, that probably would be.
Where's the dog?
I put
I
the-
need to dress them.
Oh, I put them up real fast so we can get everything up. So we
Pick
don't have.
everything up, Trey.
Hold up. Give me everything so we don't have nothing in the trash.
Everything that's not in the toy. Here.
Everything that's.
Not like a
Oh, I need to open that up.
Yeah.
We should keep this.
You gotta keep all of this.
Wait, I think these like different characters. Oh yeah, this is the characters for Trey.
Oh, this is the character.
Like
So
she got Prezi. She got Prezi.
Crazy.
Mama, where's the thing?
That was not
She's
the
the
sleepover club. She's
Oh,
Prezi.
Prezi, yeah. Prezi.
Prezi, that's a cool name.
I would know more LOL than I do.
What's this?
Say hi, Leonardo. Say I'm just so adorable, and I'm walking now, you guys.
Oh wait, I found
Say
it.
hi.
Oh, I forgot one thing.
Ooh, you got him.
I find it.
Put it all in here. Put it all in here.
Put it on there.
Wait, I need to see what.
I got it. I picked it up.
Excuse me.
We ain't throwing none of her stuff
Wait,
away.
look. Wait, this is a snowman.
Yeah.
On the same.
Keep it. Keep
What's this character?
No, it's not
You
good.
can hand me all the trash. Wait, what?
Say hi.
Wait,
Say hi.
one of our characters. Wait, it'll change. Mom, from the hair, it'll change.
Let me get the hair.
From
Hold on, let's get all of this stuff in here first.
Let me get the knife.
If it's not gonna be in
The
here,
knife.
I want to see the whole team.
where's
happened?
the other piece
Mom,
that
look.
comes to this?
Mom, look at all these stripes.
Oh,
This one?
Mom, look.
Mom,
He
look
got
at
close
all
to hitting
these
his head.
instructions.
He got close to hitting. Mom, look at all these
He
got close.
I know.
Yeah.
Where's the other? Give me that part piece. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Can you give this video 30 likes the kid, Tiny got to open up her LOL dolls, and she loved it. And that is a late video, but it's a video we had to drop. This is day 5 of Booathon. Day 5 of Booathon, and we are like excited, and I'm gonna keep giving y'all content. So I'm about to keep doing what I gotta do. So we love you guys so much, and do you like your LOL dolls?
Yeah.
Say see you guys later.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later again. Bye. Peace.
Bye. Peace.
I'm working hard, applying pressure for the shit I get. I can't leave my kids without a thing, just some state benefits. Who the fuck that benefit? I think before a dream, I had a dream like Dr. King that one day I'd be living this. That's why the movement stand behind me and we going far. And like Tony Bitch, we feel the world is ours. I put my heart in each and every bar.